To create an assignment, we'll edit the course. We'll go down to an assignment learning item, which can be found there. It's got the assignment icon to distinguish it from the others. And within the assignment tab, we'll go to edit. Again, you can add your own text there just to tell the user exactly what is required from them. You can't see it yourself as an administrator or author, but there will be a pop-up available for the user to upload any document. If we go to save and exit, it still won't be there, but you need to be enrolled into the course itself in order to see this. So let's try to have a look at what it would look like. Go to assignment 1, and from here you can see supported file types, maximum file size, and that's what a user will see when uploading their assignment.